Joey, you have 16 children.
Yes, I have.
Kaya mo pangalanan mula sa pinakapanganay
Oo naman.
Sige nga. Okay.
JJ, Jeremy, Jessem, JB, Paulo, Jerica, Win-Win, George, Win-Win, Zia, na ano ko, chronological dapat eh. Si Joey Ann, Jetsela, Joey G, Paulo, Jacob.
14.
Tapos may dalawa akong ano. Yun.
Yes. Wow. How proud are you as a father?
I'm very proud to be a
Kasi
father.
meron kang psychologist, meron kang abogado, meron kang...
Magiging dalawa, abogado ko.
Magiging dalawa na, di ba? Nangilabot ako, beauty queen, may entrepreneur. You're very proud as a father.
I'm very proud to be
Anong
a
klaseng